Hello and welcome back again in CAD with Kamal. This is SolidWorks part modeling exercise 19. In this tutorial, we will learn that how we can design this housing component in SolidWorks. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe our channel for more tutorials of SolidWorks. So without waste any time, let's start today's tutorials. So I'll stop this animation here. So for the part modeling, we have to go with this new, select part and OK. Let's set skin background in plain white mode and unit measurement in millimeter. Let's see the drawing of our model. So you can see in this top view, this is front view and this is section view. So in the top view, you can see rib 10 mm width, the 4 locking hooks which have dia 12 mm hole and R15 radius, and the whole PCD is 228 millimeter with radius 3. So in the front view, you can see the OD of bushes. So the big bush is 70 dia and the small one is 50, and the base plate height is 25 thickness and this hooks is 50 mm thickness. In the section view, you can see internal dia of hole 35, 52, the height is 32, internal of this base plate 190 and OD is 200 millimeter. So let's draw this. So we can make this bushes and plate with two method. First is we design this first, then we design this bush, then we cut this hole and this internal hole. Or the second method is we draw this complete sketch in one time. So let's do this. So we select front plane first, draw center line, select line, I start here. Okay, let's apply dimensions. So this is 35. Okay, this one is 52, this height is 32, this height is 15 mm, this one is 55, this OD is 50 mm, this one is 70 dia, this one is 200, this one is 190, this is 25, this is 20. See in sketch, in the drawing, 25, 20, 55, 15, 35, 52, 32. Okay, so our sketch is fully defined. So let's exit here. You can exit here also and here also. Let's exit. We use Revolve Bose base feature. Axis of revolution, this line. See, axis of revolution, this line. You can see in preview, the whole body is complete in one sketch. Okay. So this is our second method. First method, we create this for this hole, this hole. So this is too lengthy. So let's create this hooks also. So select top plane, sketch, draw a circle with this origin point 228 dia. Okay. Make it construction geometry, select circle again and draw with this vertex point dia 12. Draw circle again dia 30. Select line with this vertex point, make a vertical line two vertical lines. Convert entities, select this line. Okay. Trim, use power trim and trim this body. This is case, sorry. See, our sketch is fully defined. So let's exit. Use Extrude Bose base. Use blind option up to 15 mm. Okay. Apply fillets. R3. This edge, this one, and this one. We apply fillet on this edge also, here, here, and here. Okay. Let's use circular pattern to make it for quantity of this hook. So direction, we select this edge. Feature, we select extrude Bose base, this, and fillet. Okay. Now draw sketch for rib. So select this face, sketch, select center line, draw a line, incline line, so, and give angle to this line with this vertex point 45. Okay. Convert entities, select this line, edge, and this edge. Okay. Offset entities, we need 10 mm thickness for the rib, so we keep here 5, and bidirectional, select this line. Okay. Use trim, power trim, trim this line, this line. Okay. Now to make the rib option does not work on this sketch because this is surface body. So we use special tool for this curve, split line. We select this here, and for the face of split we select this here, and okay. Our sketch will become on this body. Now we use lofted bounce base feature. For the profile we select this sketch and we select this here. The rib is complete as per the curve body. See, let's hide the sketch. Now we apply fillets R3. So select fillet R3, select this edge and this edge. Okay. Use circular pattern here. For direction 1, I select this edge, come in bodies and select this. Okay. Now we use the split line feature. So this is different body and this one is different body. We need to combine this in a single body. You can see in the solid bodies option there is a 4 bodies. So we come in combine option, select this all body in one time, add. Okay. This is in single body now. We use chamfer here, 1 into 45. So we select one here and select this edge, this edge, this edge, this one, and this one. Okay, apply colors, select here. Okay, so here is our 3D model is complete. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any question or doubt, you can write in comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video. See you in next video. Thank you so much.